Uh, what's happening there, you two? It's been a long day. We're at a truck stop here. You can see. Uh, we're in some Prairie, Wisconsin. Yes. So this video you're getting ready to see is a 15-minute long video of student driving his first time in um, snowy conditions and that blizzard conditions that was going on earlier this afternoon and on through the night in northern Chicago, Illinois area. But the snowflakes were about the size of silver dollars that was coming from the sky. But I'm calling this video Dashing Through the Snow. It's a pretty good video. So, um, we got up here safely. We're got 12 hours before we can make our delivery at our next stop. We're only 8 miles away from it, so it's not too bad. Um, but besides that, um, right here is a preview of my new logo. And we're thinking about the first of the year doing t-shirts of this new logo. Ooh. But the wife has got an Etsy page. Remember that? I'll put a link on the bottom of the screen here too of her Etsy page of her shop is Pebbles Shirts, letter N, Crafts is what our shop is for Etsy. So sorry about clearing my throat. Got a little bit cold coming on, but I hope you guys enjoy this 15-minute long video. Enjoy.
Camera on a little bit. size of silver dollars. That's where you're pumping stuff. That's not potholes. That's just ice starting to form on the road. Pumping up snow. How you feeling there? History student number 2?
Problems.
No problem.
No problems.
Is this your first snowstorm you ever drove in?
No, I've been in, not like this.
Not like it is.
Not like this. I mean, like I said, we do get snow in the south, but not nothing like this. Except for the blizzard come in 93, man.
You can see that guy around the corner right there. He's got his 4 ways on it. He's much slower to it. Go ahead. Start. What were you saying?
Especially in the blizzard of 93. That was the worst snow I've ever seen.
Yeah, looks like we're coming to Scotland. Oh, it's one of them FJ drivers. We don't let FJ drivers. They think they know everything. And we're heading up to Beloit, Wisconsin. You see, this thing's got full audio and stuff, and you can pick up everything that's inside the truck.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty crystal clear. Plus, it's recorded in 4K right there. Showing the little snowflakes. Or these big fat snowflakes, like we're getting bombarded with angels throwing snowballs at us.
This is so cool, man. This is so cool.
Since we're slowing down here, you're only doing like 4 miles an hour. Click your windshield wiper blades down a notch where it will pause for a second, so they can see the actual snowflakes.
Okay, yeah, so you can see the actual.
Yeah, see how big them snowflakes are smashing against the windshield.
Blizzard.
Yeah, blizzard-like snowflakes coming down, so you guys can actually see what we're dealing with. It gives more justice to what we're talking about, like snowball fight from angels. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Fun stuff.
I gotta get off right here anyway, though.
Yeah, you gotta get off right here.
I wasn't paying no attention on that GPS.
Your GPS.
I was watching the snow. That GPS.
I was watching the snow, Timmy. I didn't see nothing.
The thing I seen was a damn big blue thing in front of me. And then my feet started getting wet. Oh boy. See what quality of that picture is, video there?
Yes.
Crazy, yeah.
Crazy videos, crazy.
Yeah. And the angels
You get a better, kind of a better view looking at the side.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you get a.
Yeah, I'll take the camera so we can look off the side of it.
It's so cool. It's really cool, man.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's totally tubular.
Totally tubular, yeah.
What he said. Let me unhook his camera from the plug-in. Little stickers outside the window real quick. You see what is actually going on. Like a white Christmas out there. wipe off the lens. What are you laughing for?
Wipe off the lens.
I can't see. Can't see, Timmy.
Blizzard of 2018
Did I miss
in November.
No, I didn't miss it.
No, you didn't miss it. You're on the exit ramp. Don't worry. You just gotta watch out about all these little Honda Pilot drivers. You don't know what they're doing. You can turn your wipers on a little stronger again so you
I
can
can
see.
see. I can see. Good. I'm on the
You're hitting the rumble
I'm on
strips.
the rumble strips.
Yeah, it's not good. See if I can catch a snowflake. It's not liking me. They're going up my arm. That sucks. Look at all that snow, man, on the interstate. Oh, why are they stopping in the middle of the road right there?
They're swapping drivers.
Swapping drivers in the middle of the interstate. Really? Oh, no. I think they're cleaning their window
Locking
off.
hubs or something.
I think they're hot locking hubs. No, I don't think they have locking hubs on the Chevy. There's no locking hubs on that thing, man. I think they're cleaning the ice and snow off their window. They just decided to stop there where Billy Bigger come up there and now he's putting it in four-wheel drive. Dumbass. We'll see you in the ditch later, buddy. While you were stopped there, you better got you a cup of hot chocolate. You can come off this way just a little bit. So you're more in the middle of the road than you are toward an edge. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at them big snowflakes. It's crazy. Driving in a blizzard. Those bounce on and bounce off. Bridge.
It's down to 33 degrees now.
33.
It finally dropped that last degree and stayed at 34 for a while.
Yeah. Well, we're on 90. I think. No, we're on 39 still. Watch the takeoff. We're not in too much of a hurry to go 80 miles. We got plenty of time. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Somebody's gonna get them a new car for Christmas. That thing's all tore up. Yeah. That thing's all tore up. They're gonna get them a new car. Buy here, pay here. Lot's gonna be open tomorrow.